The reason I became a DA versus the reason I choose to stay a DA are a little bit different. I wanted to become a DA in the sixth grade when Ellen Brooks, the former DA from Montgomery County, came and spoke to my class. For an 11-year-old little girl whose favorite show was Cagney and Lacey, as you can imagine, I was so excited about the idea of a woman being able to be a prosecutor and help protect the community. But once I became a DA, my reasons changed just a little bit. I realized very quickly that this was a very difficult job. And part of what made it difficult was the criminal justice system is not set up for victims. It's not set up to protect their rights. And that concerned me immediately. I knew that I would have a lot of hard work to do on behalf of my victims. And that was extremely important to me. So the main reason that I'm a DA is for people and to protect their rights and protect what they need. When you look at a courtroom, almost everyone in there, the judge, the defense attorney, the probation officers, the parole officers, are there to look out for the defendant and their rights. And we, the prosecutors, are the only ones in the courtroom who are committed to looking out for victims and their rights. And I thought that that was extremely important, especially as I got to meet different people in the community who needed our help. I met women who were victims of simple crimes, crimes that most people would consider simple. For instance, one woman who had gotten her car stolen. Most people would say, that's no big deal. Well, this particular woman was living paycheck to paycheck, working 2 jobs with 3 children. She was single, and once her car was stolen and totaled, wrecked, she had no way to get to work. She could only afford liability insurance, so once her car was totaled, she had no transportation. She ended up losing one of her jobs and having to move back in with her mother in short order. That completely changed her life and her sense of responsibility in adulthood. Another person that we helped was a victim of just a strong-arm robbery. Someone came up and produced a BB gun and demanded her property. Most people would think, oh, it's just a BB gun. That's not a big deal. But for this woman who was walking to work, being responsible enough to, even though she didn't have a car, she was actually walking to work. Once they drove up and produced the BB gun that she thought was a real gun, it changed her life forever. When I look at the criminal justice system and I look at all of the people involved, if I have to fight for someone, it'll be someone like that.